Alright, welcome to a macOS Lion installation. I'm gonna show you how to do it, but we're gonna be installing it on my 2010 mid polycarbonate MacBook, as it has Snow Leopard installed on it. And before we do that, let me just put it up into the option mode. Well, hold the option so we don't have it playing. Well, doing that because that's set up later, but this little macOS Lion is probably the easiest one you can find, and it's like the fastest. You just go to Apple, look up macOS Lion, or as I just did it, and it should be right there. Right here. You just press download. It'll tell you, mine was with Snow Leopard. And then you just press install or download. Now I'm on a slow 1 terabyte hard drive, which, as you can see, we're gonna have to cut this video because but it is faster than doing it from archive.org, which would take hours, maybe a whole day, depending on the download speeds. This would just take a few minutes. Now I'll see you guys when we get back, when the download's finished.
Look at the stars when you're by my side. Look at your eyes when I'm taking drives. Seeing your smile that stays for a while. The innocence makes me feel like a child. I'm stuck inside, I won't come out. No, I won't come out. First date, everything was going great. I can see the smile that was on your face when I played you a couple tracks on the tape. You said you're impressed like it was all fake. No, I couldn't lie to you. There was nothing I tried to do, but every time that I made you laugh.
Alright, so if you're doing this, you're going to install it on your main computer. I'm going to show you how to make a partition on here, which is like very easy, which you can do while running macOS right here. I'm going to open disk utility, which you're also going to have open anyways. You're just going to click here, partition, click on this part, plus. And then I'd say like 40 gigs is good. But I'm not going to do that. You can do that if you wanted to. Name it macOS, Lion. I'm going to put a DVD, USB in. And first one to locate it. And you're going to press, this is for macOS Snow Leopard, which has Xcode and optional installs, which I probably should pay attention to that more. And here's Tiger, which I'm probably going to do a video on later. Snow Leopard. And we're going to find it. Okay. It's under install macOS x.dmg. Press restore. Here you go. And then you're going to wait for this to restore it, which will take a little bit. Make sure you guys get to watch another time lapse. Hopefully you like the music choice. It's gonna be different this time. And I'll see you when it gets back. And we're back, actually. I just click done and just eject it, take the drive out, and we don't need this. Alright, here comes the hard part on the plan. Alright, now I'm going to show you, we're going to plug it in. as I'm struggling to put it in the right way. Now, it may or may not pop up, which it's not. So what we're going to do is turn off the machine. And sometimes it doesn't show up, you know. I'll show you what to do. You're going to hold down Option and Command R and P as soon as it boots up. Like right now. Once you hear the chime, you're going to hold PR, Command, and Option. It's going to turn off and let go. And then hold Option. You just did a PRM reset. And now you should be able to see it when you boot into the boot picker. Oh shit. Hold up. Oh god, did I do something wrong? Hold up. Yeah. Let's see if this is actually bootable first. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. We're gonna verify it and see if this works. We can just skip it actually, you know. Okay. I think I know what this is. This is an upgrade, not, you know. Well, let's see what installs actually. We have Capitan. Sierra is somewhere to be found, hopefully. Yeah, I think High Sierra is not missing. That's nice. Yeah, just gonna. If not, we have a different method. Which, you know, this one got Tiger. We can delete that. Actually, don't need that. Alright, so when we have it installed, I'm just gonna run it while it's in the background. You're gonna open your application folder, which is right here. You're gonna find install macOS X. You're gonna go to show package contents, shared support, install ESD.dmg. With trash. Alright. And we're going to go to, not Time Machine, we're going to go to Utilities. I say we're going to go to Utilities, not Time Machine. Which, and we're going to Disk Utility. Alright, we're actually going to eject this thing so we don't need it anymore. We're going to go here, press Restore. And go back to Finder. And drag it in. gonna restore it, and we'll be right back again. Alright, and we're back. That was a little weird, but you know, let's see if it still works. Wait till it stops flashing. Unplug it, and there's a screw loose in there. I can hear it. Alright, let's plug the USB in. I don't know how it always ends up upside down, but you know. And here we go. Now this has 3 partitions on the drive. It has macOS High Sierra, Lion, and then Snow Leopard. Because why not? And as you can see, we are on Lion with that famous leather, well, not leather, denim. And we should be able to reinstall macOS. With no problems at all. You can see we have Leopard. And then, as you can see, High Sierra doesn't show up because it's APFS. Make sure you have this. 1 second. Oh god, where do I keep a charger at? Make sure the drive is, the partition you're going to use is extended journal, not APFS, due to it will not work. I'm moving my setup so I can plug this bad boy in. Alright, it's gonna be 5 minutes. While we do that, is there any way to see the installer log? Alright, and then here comes another time lapse.
Like it was all fake, no, I couldn't lie to you. There was nothing I tried to do, but every time that I made you laugh, I could not stop eyeing you. When I'm lost in your eyes, everything's alright. There's nothing going wrong, there's nothing that's trying to, 'cause I'll fight it through. Every time you smile, my heart feels warm. I can see the world with you on tour. Don't fight it too, 'cause we'll fight it through. I know you're.
Alright, and now we have it installed, and we will just, oh shoot, adjust it. US. Now, it did crash during the install, so I do it again. Oh, I just put my email in. There we go. Alright. Now I'm gonna make a user account, not one with let me just do continue. let's just go my name. I'm not really going to be using this much. That's not matching at all. Here we go. Oh, I could have changed the account name. I should have done that. We can do it later. Now it's connecting to Apple, which is just basically just saying, oh, is this thing icon locked or anything like that? Which it's not. I know it's not. Or lost, or stolen. Nope. Let's do the number 1. There's no cat. That's different from my Mac that I do with. Maybe because I was using mouse, but you know how it is. Alright, now we have macOS Lion installed. As you can see, I'm obviously going to get rid of this. Yeah, I like to do like this, Open Finder. I always like to have the application holder right there, just in case, and for other reasons too. And then I like doing this also. You know, just to add stuff and making that look bland. Also get rid of that. Change the wallpaper. Actually, yeah. And we're gonna iTunes 100%. This is oh, you can't see it. I bet you this is iTunes 10. Not 10. This is 9. 10. Wow. We're gonna keep like this. Change the wallpaper again because I'm not liking it. Alright, and then that's how you install it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys would like to see next. Oh, and there's obviously going to be a really good next video next month in February. Unless it's already came out in February, and then there's just going to be one a few days after this. Or maybe it is before this, because that's how I work. For some reason, I get stuff done weirdly. But you know. Anyways, see you guys later.